Okay, we're here now in North Caicos. That's our bag, all bags here, already in here. So we're going to Middle Caicos.
We're not on North Caicos, so I made it landed
big and
for the
our
first
driver
time.
is small.
Oh! We enjoy, hope we enjoy. So that's our car. Okay, that's Eero. He's the one of my best friend here in the Caribbean. Okay. So that's Patrick. He's the one driver
YouTube.
of this car. Kasya.
Bay, dato. Big shot ang service. Big shot. Ang driver, small shot. Dako ka tag-service. Unya, nga tong driver, small. Datong, cool.
Sige.